are starting to outgrow their little cribs. So we're gonna go to IKEA today and just do some looking around. They're about to be 2. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's that time. We'll move this dresser and put it in their closet, because the closet is big enough for, it's really big to fit their dresser. Elevator.
Up, say up.
Up. Up, up. Yeah. Ooh, look. Yes, I don't walk. You get out and walk, girls. Red. Where's blue? Blue. Where's yellow? Show me yellow. Yay, yellow. Hey, good job, Summer. Yeah. No, it's coming over here. Girls. No jumping. Hurry up and put this little cute little romper back, you know, one-piece romper to go run some errands. It's real comfortable and cute, but most importantly comfortable. And then it's like, you know, my arms are out because I get hot. So I just threw this on, and I'm gonna throw on a jacket or something and some sneakers, and then head to Whole Foods and maybe a few other places if I have time before the girls get up. So I just did a quick little, you know, 1, 2, wear my hair down or wear it up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear it half up. That way it's like not in my face. It's getting a lot longer, so I want to cut it like here, cut it like, you know, cut this much off. But my hairdresser is on sabbatical right now, so we just gonna have to thug it out until she comes back, and then we'll get it cut again. Cause it's like on my neck and it's just too much. And I'm running around the house with the girls and phew, yeah, I just want it like right here. And then it's a cute little bob. So, okay. Somebody's mama.
What's going on? How you
How are
feeling?
you?
Where's your dog at?
She's home with the girls. I know, right? Pick up. my strong man. Check out the cute shoes. I like your shoes. Skechers. Yeah. So cute. I think they were like $25 to $30. They're super cute and they light up too. Let me show the vlog these. Let's show the vlog these. Now these right here, they taste just like Chick-fil-A. Might even be better. No antibiotics ever. They're really good.
But through what the woman produces, through her seed, there will be redemption. There will be vindication. That's who we are. We are women.